Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Watch S, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your blood oxygen levels, try to keep still, don't move around too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now let's continue with the measurement. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. And here we have this blood droplet icon. Tap on it. If your watch is on your wrist, you won't see this message, or you will, I don't know. Basically, you have the warning message to wear the watch properly before you start the measurement. And now you can tap on this play button to start the measurement. And after a couple of seconds, you should get your result. You can repeat the test by tapping on this button right here. And if you're done, you can press the upper button to just go back, like that. And that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.